Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now we'll start our question number 18. Question number 18, it is given a two-digit number. Two-digit number, let's consider, suppose it is our, a number is there, suppose 52. Two-digit number, unit digit and our 10 digit. So this number is our two-digit number. So what the question given, it is our, a two-digit number is such that 8 times the sum of its digits. So sum of digits is our 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2, this one if we multiply with our 8. So this number will be our, what the result, this one will be our equal to our 52. So here we don't know the unit digit and 10 digit. So we'll consider this one, let the 10 place and unit place be, 10 place of the two digit number be our x and y respectively. So here what we are considering, see, is our 10 place. Our 10 place is equal to our x and unit place is equal to our y. So the number will be our what? We know, suppose 52, this number we are considering this one. So 52, if we expand this one, this is our 10 place. So 5 into 10 plus our unit place. So it will be our 2 into 1. So like this we are getting our expanding form. So this number also will be like this. So here 10 place is equal to our x, 10 place, and unit place is equal to our y. So this one if we expand, this one will be our 10x plus our y. So this one will be our number. So the number will be our, the number is our 10x plus our y. Now according to the question, sum of the digits, this digits we are considering x and y. So x plus our y, this one if we multiply with our 8, that time this number will be our equal to our 10x plus our y. So 10x plus our y we got. Now we multiply this one with our 8. So if we multiply this one with our 8, so it will be our 8x plus our will be our 8y is equal to 10x plus y. Now 8x and this 10x will shift to our left hand side, will be our minus 10x. Then our 8y, this one is our plus 8y and this one is our plus y. So it is our right hand side. So plus y1 will shift to our left hand side. So it will be our minus y. So 8x minus 10x will be our minus 2x plus 8y minus y equal to our 7y. Now minus will take common. So it will be our 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. This one is our equation number 1. Now condition number 2, in question we will see, when the digits are interchanged. Interchange means our what? 52. Now this one is our unit place. It is our 10 place. It is our unit place. It is our 10 place. Now unit place will be our 10 place and 10 place will be our unit place. So this one is known as our interchange of number. Interchange their place. So interchanging place, so it will be our 25. Original number 52, interchanging it is becoming our 25. So this one is our changing. Now unit place becoming our 10 place, 10 place becoming our unit place. So this number also will be changed. How will be changed? Because we are considering this one is our 10 place and y we are considering as our unit place. Now this one will be our 10 place, so it will be our 10y plus this one will be our now unit place, so it will be plus x only. So interchanging number will be our 10y plus x. So when the digits are interchanged, the new number formed is our 10y plus x. Now we understood, I think so. Now question given what? When the digits are interchanged and 3 is subtracted therefrom from this new number 10y plus x. From this number if we subtract 3, it becomes 1/3 of the original number. So this part will be our equal to will be our, this part equal to will be our 1/3 of the original number. Original number it is our what? 10x plus y. This one is our original number. So this number 1/3 will be this new number 1. Interchanging number, and if we subtract 3 that time. So we write here. So 10y plus x, this one is our interchanging number we got. From this number if we subtract 3, that time it will be our 1/3 of the our original number. Now x, this one is our second position, so we are writing this one is our first position, then this one we are writing in our second position, minus our 3. And this one will be our 1 into 10x plus y, that means same to same will be remain, divided by will be our 3. Now cross multiplication if we do this one, so it will be our 3 into x, this one 3 into this part, 3 into this part, and down of this one is our 1. So 1 into this one. So 1 into 10x plus y, so same to same will be remain 1 multiplication. and 3 into this part if we multiply, so it will be our 3x plus 30y minus will be our 3 into 3, 9. Now all like terms in same side, that means in same way we will write this one. So here it is our C given 10x in our left hand side and right hand side is our 3x. So this 3x will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 3x. Then our plus y, and our right hand side it is our minus 30y, so minus 30y will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 30y is equal to will be our minus 9. So 10x minus 3x it will be our 7x and plus y minus our 30y, so it will be our minus 29y, because big number is our minus, so it will be our minus 30 minus 1, 29, so minus 29y and minus 9. So this will be our equation number 2. Now we'll see equation number 1 and equation number 2, anything is similar, nothing is our similar. Y coefficient 2 and here y coefficient 7, and it is y coefficient 7 and y coefficient 29, means it is not equal, so we need to make equal. So we are multiplying equation number 1, which one we are making equal? Suppose x we are making equal, so equation number 1 we need to multiply with this 7, coefficient of this x. Equation number 2, in equation number 2 what the coefficient of x, with this coefficient we need to multiply equation number 1. So equation number 1 with 7 if we multiply, so it will be our 14x minus will be 49 is equal to 0. Now equation number 2, this equation number 2, this one we need to multiply with the coefficient of our equation number 1, x value is equal to our what? Coefficient of x 2. With this 2 will multiply. So 2 into our 7, 14 and x, and minus it is our, so here will be our minus, and 29 into 2 will be our 58 and minus 9 into 2 will be our minus 18. Now here we got our 14x both our equal became in sign also our equal, so opposite sign it is my minus sign we need to do. That means we need to subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1, this one equation number 2 from equation number 1 we need to subtract. So if we subtract, so this 2 will be our cancel, and this one minus, and here also minus, so minus minus will be our plus. So plus 58 minus 49 is equal to our 9, because big number is our plus, so it will be our plus 9y. So we got it is our plus 9y, and this one minus, this one also minus, so minus minus plus 18. Now 18 divided by 9 is equal to our 2. So y value we got our 2. That means our which place we got? Unit place. Unit place we got 2. Now we'll put this y value in any equation. Suppose we are putting this on equation number 1 because it is small. 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. 2x minus 7y. So 2x minus our 7 into y value 2 is equal to our 0. Which is our minus 14. So minus 14 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our plus 14. Now 14 1 will divide by our 7. That means 2. If we divide 14 by our 2, so it will be our 7. So x value we got our 7. Therefore the required numbers will be our, because unit place we got our, that means our unit place our y is equal to, we got our what? We got 2. And x value, that means our 10 place we got our 7. So original number it was our 10x plus our y. Original number, this one. First of all we got here original number, this one. This number is our 10x plus y. So 10 into x value we got 7. So we will write here 10 into 7 plus our y value 2. So 7 into 10 70 plus our 2 72. So the required number is our 72. Question number 19. 3 years ago. 3 years ago means from the present, 3 years ago. If your age is present 13, 3 years ago your age was 10, because 3 years ago it is, before it is. So 3 years ago your age will be 10. If you are at present your age is 13, so 3 years before your age will be 10. So 3 years ago Mr. X was, one person, his name is Mr. X. His age was 3 times as old as Mr. Y. Another person is there, Mr. Y. From his age, this person age, this our Mr. X age was 3 times more. 3 years ago it is. And 8 years hence. 8 years hence means after 8 years. At present whatever your age, after 8 years, that means if considering present age is our x, so 8 years after, so it will be our x plus 8. So what told? 8 years hence Mr. X will be, this our Mr. X, he will be twice as old as Mr. Y. So after our 8 years, whatever the age will be our Mr. Y, compared to this age, our Mr. X age will be our twice, double will be. So find their present ages. So we need to find out their present ages. So we consider their present ages X and Y. So let the present ages of Mr. X and Mr. Y be our A and B respectively. Because here X and Y given, for this reason we are not taking another X and Y. So we are considering this one A and B. That's our A present age of our X, Mr. X. This one Mr. X present age we are considering A, and Mr. Y present age we are considering B. So 3 years ago, first of all, 3 years ago their age will be what? This one we need to find out. So 3 years ago Mr. X age was A minus 3 and Mr. Y age was B minus 3. Similarly, 8 years hence, that means after 3 years, 8 years, Mr. X age will be our A plus 8 and Mr. Y age will be our B plus 8 years. Now according to the question, first condition C, 3 years ago, Mr. X was 3 times, Mr. X 3 years ago, his age was A plus A minus 3. This age was 3 times of this age, B minus 3. So both sides how will be equal our? If we multiply this one with 3, so both sides will be our equal. So here we write this one, A minus 3, Mr. X age 3 years ago. This one is our 3 times as compared to Mr. Y age. So with Mr. Y we need to multiply with 3. So both sides will be our equal. Now with 3 we will multiply B, so 3B and plus minus minus 3 into 3 our 9. Now A and B1 will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 3B, and this minus 3 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our plus 3. So A minus 3B is equal to our minus 6. So this one will be our equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now equation number 2 will be our what? According to the question, see, 8 years hence, Mr. X will be twice as old as Mr. Y. So after 8 years, Mr. X age is equal to our A plus 8. This age will be our twice of this age, B plus 8. So this one, how this one will be our compare? So this one, if we multiply with 2 with our Mr. Y age, so both sides will be our equal. So here we are multiplying this one with our 2. Now 2 into B, 2B, and 2 into 8 will be our 16. Now this 2B will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 2B. And 8 1 we are shifting to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 8. So A minus 2B is equal to our 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So this one will be equation number 2. Now equation number 1 this one, and equation number 2 this one. So here A coefficient 1, here also A coefficient 1. Easy, it is our, and both sign our equal. That means same our, plus plus. That means opposite sign negative we need to do. This equation number 2 we need to subtract from equation number 1. So 1 minus equation number 2. So 1 minus equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So this one, A minus 3B minus will be our, in bracket, A minus 2B is equal to will be our minus 6 minus our 8. Now we'll take out this one from the bracket. So A minus 3B plus minus minus A minus minus plus 2B is equal to our minus 6 minus 8 will be our minus 14. Now plus A minus will be cancelled, and minus 3B plus 2B is equal to will be our minus B. So minus B is equal to minus 14. Both left hand side and right hand side is equal to our negative sign, so negative negative will be cancelled. Therefore B is equal to our 14. Now this B value will put, what value we got? 14. This value will put equation number 1 or 21. So we are putting this one in our equation number 2. So B value, so A minus 2 into our 14, B value, this B value will be now our 14. So 2 into 14 is equal to our 8. So 2 into 14 is equal to our 28, minus 28, this one will shift to our right hand side, so it will be a plus 28. So 8 plus 28 is equal to our 36. So A1 we are considering as our Mr. X value, it is Mr. X age. So Mr. X age is equal to our 36, and B1 it is our Mr. Y. So Mr. Y is equal to our 14 years. So therefore the present age of Mr. X is our 36 years, and that of Mr. Y is our 14 years. Question number 21. Divide 64 into 2 parts. 64 it is our given. This 64 you need to divide into 2 parts. Just we are not able to divide this one like 60 plus 4. Not like this. We are not able to divide in this way. Here condition given it is in such a way that twice of one part. 2 parts are there. Suppose this one is our first part, this one is our second part. So twice of the first part, and if you consider this one is our bigger, It is our smaller part. This is our bigger part, it is our smaller part. So what told that the twice of the one part, that means bigger one is our twice. If we make double of this small bigger one, then what will be our one, that twice of one part exists 5 times the other. If this one smaller one will be our 5y, that time it will be this part. If we make 2, that time this one will be our 2 more of 5 times of this. So plus will be our 2x. That means if we make this bigger part double, that time this one will be our, this double part one will be our, that time if we make this one double, that time this part will be our 5 times of the smaller number. So 5 times of the smaller number, that time this one will be our, if we consider this one suppose anything, y value 10, so 5 into 10 will be our 50. That time this part will be our 2 less, 2, not 2 less, what told here, exit, that means 2 more will be. So this 2 more, 5 times, then this one will be about 2 more. So this 2 more one, if we add more here too, so it will be our more bigger than this one. So this 2 plus 2 we need to add with our 5y plus 2. So both sides will be our equal that time. So equation number 1 will be our 2 parts are there. So greater part, big part we took away our x, and smaller part we are taking as our y. Let x and y be the 2 parts. Here we are considering x is our greater than our y. We are considering this one, x1 is our greater than our y. So here it is our 2 parts. That means if we add these 2 parts, so it will be our 64 only. So it is our equation number 1. And second condition, it is told twice of the bigger part, this one is our first part, 2x. That time it will be our 5 times of the smaller number. 5, see, twice of one part exists 5 times of the other by 2. That time it will be 5 times, then also it will be our more, will be our 2. More will be our, suppose this one if we are considering x, this one if we consider any number, this one suppose 30, multiply it by 2. And that time smaller number if we are considering this one, this number, with any number, suppose it is our 3 or 4 or 5, anything we will consider this one. Suppose 5 we will consider, so 5 into 5, so it will be our 25. So that time also it will be our more bigger, remaining our, so it will be our 25 it is, and it is our 60, so big it is our becoming. So that means here we need to add more numbers. So that time both sides will be our equal. Same as here this one, it is giving 5 times, then also this number is our 2 more. Our 2x is our 2 more. So this 2 we need to add our with this smaller number, 5y plus this number, so this one will be our equal. Now this one 2x plus equal will be our 2x equal our 5y plus 2. Now this 5y we are shifting to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 5y is equal to our 2. Now if you compare, see x, here also x not same, this one also not same. So here another method will apply this one, suppose our substitution method. So from 2 or from 1 it will be easy for us. So from 1 we are taking x value, so x is equal to will be our 64 minus y. So this one we are giving equation number 3. So this equation number 3, this one we got from our equation number 1. So this x value will put now in our equation number 2. So if we put this x value in equation number 2, so it will be this 2 into x. Instead of this x, we will put this value 64 minus y. Minus our 5y is equal to 2. Now we will multiply 64 into 2, 128, and minus 2y minus our 5y is equal to 2. Now minus this 128 will shift this one to our, this 128, this one will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 128. And minus 2y minus 5y will be our minus 7y. And 2 minus our 128, so it will be our minus 126. So both sides our minus minus it is our, so minus minus will be our cancel, and 126 divided by our 7. 7 into 1, 7. 5 will be remain, so 56. 56 if you divide by 7, so it will be our 8. So 18. So we got y value is equal to our 18. Now this y value 18 will put in equation number 3. Equation number 3, x is equal to 64 minus y. So x is equal to 64 minus y value is equal to our 18. So 64 minus 18 is equal to our 46. Therefore the required 2 parts our, first one is our x value 46 and smaller one is our 18. So 18 respectively. Question number 23. A man spent a sum of rupees 32. How much rupees he spent? 32 rupees. Why he spent this one? Buying some oranges and bananas at the rate of rupees 24 and rupees 12 per dozens. respectively. That means 1 dozen oranges plus rupees is equal to our 24. 1 dozen means our 12. 12 oranges price is equal to our 24. That means 1 orange price will be our what? 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. So 1 orange price is equal to our 2. And 12 bananas price is equal to our 12. That means 1 banana price will be our 12 divided by 12 is equal to our 1. So what told here? So like this he spent how much rupees he spent? Rupees 32. Now second part, had he bought half of the oranges, how many oranges he bought? From this, if he bought half, suppose he is buying our 18 oranges. Now if he bought this one, half of this, that means divided by 2, that means 9 oranges. And twice as many as bananas. Before suppose he bought 7 bananas. Now double of this, twice, that means double. That means 14 bananas if he is buying. Now before he bought suppose 18 oranges, now he is buying 9 oranges. Before he bought 7 bananas, now he is buying 14 bananas. Now what will be his? It would have costed 2 rupees more. That time his 2 rupees more need to pay. That means 32 before he is given, now need to give 32 plus 2, 34 rupees extra he need to give. That means 2 rupees extra need to give. Find the number of oranges and bananas he bought. That means we need to find out how many oranges and bananas he bought. This one we need to find out. So we'll consider this one x and y. X oranges he bought and y bananas he bought. Let the person bought x oranges and y bananas. So cost of 1 orange is equal to rupees 2 and cost of 1 banana is equal to rupees 1. Now what he told according to the question, C, our this one is given our a man spent a sum of rupees 32 in buying some oranges and bananas at the rate of 24 and 12 per dozen respectively. That means we are considering how many oranges he bought, x oranges, and how many bananas he bought, y. And the price of 1 orange is equal to our 2. Let this x, we don't know the number. If you consider this one 5, that means this x is equal to our 5. So 5 oranges price will be how much? Because 1 orange price is equal to our 2. So 5 oranges price will be our 5 into 2 is equal to our 10. So here we don't know this x value is equal to our 5. So here we took this one x only. So this one you need to multiply with the price of 1 orange. So 1 orange price is equal to our 2. So with 2 into number of orange. So number of orange, suppose here our 5. So we don't know this one. So here we know this one is our x. So we are considering this one x. So 2x. So 2 into x. And banana price is our 1 banana price is equal to our rupee 1. So 1 into our how many bananas he bought, y number of bananas. This one we don't know y how many numbers. So 1 into number of bananas. So 1 into y, that means y only. So 2x plus y, that time its cost is our 32. So is equal to our 30. So this is our equation number 1. And second part, had he bought half of the orange. So total number of orange he bought x number. So half of this, that means x by 2 plus double of banana, that means 2 into our banana. Double it is. Now this one we need to multiply with 1 orange's price. Because now he is buying this one, that means total price how much need to give for orange. This one you need to find out. So total orange, this one he is buying with 1 orange price is equal to our 2. So 2 into this one and banana price is equal to our 1. So 2y into our 1. So this 2 will be cancelled. So x plus will be 2y into 1, 2y. That time he need to give 2 rupees more extra. That means 32 plus will be our 2. That means 34. So x divided by 2 into our 2. This one our half of the, that means oranges. And price of 1 oranges plus our 2 into our banana. Whatever the banana before he bought the number, now double became this one. Into the price of 1 banana is equal to will be our 32 plus 2. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, so will be remain our x only, and 2 into y, 2y plus our 34. Now we consider equation number 1 and equation number 2, anything similar, not similar. It is our x2, here it is our x1. Here it is our 1, here 2, not same, so we need to make similar. Because elimination method we are applying here. So equation number 1 into 1, we are making x as our equal, so this coefficient of x, equation number 2, 1, so with 1 we need to multiply all. So same thing will be remain 1 multiplication. Now equation number 2, this one, equation number 2 into x coefficient, equation number 1, 2, with 2 we need to multiply. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 2, 4, so 4y, 2 into 34 is equal to 68. Now here both sign are equal, plus plus, so we need to give minus. We need to do what? Minus. So this one will be our cancelled, 2x both our same, it will be our cancelled, and this one will be our plus y, and this one is a plus and here minus, so plus minus will be our 4y, so it will be our minus 3y. Similarly this one will be our minus 36, so minus cancel, and 36 divided by our 3 is equal to our 12. So y value we got our 12. Now we'll put this y value in equation number 2. So equation number 2, it is our x plus 2y is equal to 34. So y value we got 12. So it will be our x plus 2 into 12 is equal to our 34. So 2 into 12, 24. 24 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 24. Therefore x is equal to our 10. That means how many oranges he bought? 10 oranges he bought. And how many bananas he bought? 12 bananas. Hence the man bought 10 oranges and 12 bananas. Question number 24. 5 kg mushroom and 3 kg soybean cost rupees 441, and 3 kg mushroom and 7 kg soybean cost rupees 379. Find the prices of 2 kg mushroom and 4 kg soybean. So first condition is given our, see, 5 kg mushroom and 3 kg soybean cost our 441. So we need to consider this one 1 kg price. So let the cost price of per kg mushroom, that means 1 kg per kg, and our soybean, per kg mushroom and soybean be rupees our x and be rupees our y respectively. That means 1 kg mushroom rupees our x, this one how much we don't know, this one, so we are considering x, and soybean one is our y respectively. So 5 kg, 5 into our this our mushroom, so 5 into our how much, it is our price, this one x, this one our x, so 5x plus our 3 kg into our soybean price is equal to our y. So 3 into y. So 3 kg into, suppose sugar you are buying from the market, let's consider this one is our 60 rupees, and 3 kg sugar you are buying. So 3 kg price will be our what? 3 into 60 is equal to our 180. So here this one is a price, this price 60, we don't know this one. So we are multiplying with this y. So 5x plus 3y is equal to our how much rupees we are giving? 441. So this is our equation number 1. And second condition is our given 3 kg mushroom. So 3 into x plus our 7 kg soybean, so 7 into our y, that time he is paying how much rupees? 379. So this is our equation number 2. So it is our not same our coefficients, we are making coefficients same. So x1 we are making, so equation number 1 into equation number 1 into our 3, so it will be our 15x plus 9y is equal to our 1323. And equation number 2 into our 5, so 15x plus 35y is equal to 1895. Now if we minus this one do, so it will be our minus 26 is equal to our minus 572. So minus both sides our minus it is our will be cancelled. Now 572 will divide by our 26, so it will be our 22. So y value we got our 22. Now this y value is got our 22, this one will put in equation number 1. Equation number 1 y value will put 22. So 5x plus 3 into 22 is equal to our 441. So 3 into 22 it is our 66. So 66 will shift to our right hand side, so minus 66. So 441 minus 66 is equal to our 375. Now this 375 will divide by our 5, so it will be our 75. Therefore we got the cost price of 1 kg mushroom is equal to our rupees 75, and cost price of 1 kg of soybean is equal to our 22. Now in our question it is given our, we need to find the prices of 2 kg mushroom and 4 kg soybean. That means 2 kg our mushroom. So 2 kg mushroom price will be our 75 into 2. So price of 2 kg mushroom is equal to 2 into our 75 is equal to 150. And 4 kg soybean, 4 into our 22, because 1 kg price is our 22. So 4 kg price will be our 88. So total price will be our, how much we need to pay now? 150 plus our 88 is equal to our 238. Hence the total price of 2 kg mushroom and 4 kg soybean is equal to our rupees 150 plus 88 is equal to rupees 338. Question number 25. 3 kg apple and 1.5 kg grapes cost rupees 165, and the price of 4 kg grapes and 2 kg apples is rupees our 230. Find the prices of apples and grapes per kg. That means 1 kg price only need to find out. Extra before one we did 2 kg, this one no need to find out. So that means considering this one per kg apple and per kg grapes be rupees our x and y respectively. So 3 kg, that means 3x plus 1.5 y is equal to our 165. Like before one only, be very easy this one. So this one we have mixed fraction, this one we will consider convert into our improper fraction. So 1 and 1 by 2 is equal to our 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 2 y. Now we'll take our LCM. LCM will be our 2. So 2 into 3 6x plus 3y is equal to 165. Now cross multiplication we will do. So 6x plus 3y is equal to 165 into 2 will be our 330. From this 6x plus 3y is equal to our 330. We are able to take 3 as common. What we are able to take common? 3. So will be remain our 2x plus our y is equal to will be our 330. Now 2x plus our y is equal to, with this 330 we divide by our 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 is equal to our 0. So 110. So 2x plus y is equal to 110. So it will be our equation number 1. Now second condition of this question, it is given our 4 kg grapes and 2 kg apple. 2 kg apple we are considering as our x. So it will be our 2x plus our 4y is equal to 230. So 2x plus 4y is equal to our 230. So here 2x is our equal. In equation number 1 also 2x, this one also our 2x, same it is our, so no need to convert. So equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So 2x plus y minus will be our 2x plus minus 4y is equal to 110 minus our 230. So big number is our minus, so that will be our minus, and 230 minus 110 is equal to our 120. And here 2x will be our cancelled, and y minus 4y plus y minus 4y is equal to our minus 3. So minus, both sides minus will be our cancelled, and 120 divided by our 3 it will be our 40. So y value we got our 40. Now y, putting y is equal to 40 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 it is our 2x plus y. So y value will be our 40 is equal to our 110. 40 will shift to our right hand side, so minus. So it will be our 70. 110 minus 40 is equal to our 70. Now 70 will divide by our 2, so it will be our 35. Therefore the price of apple is rupees 35 per kg, and the price of grapes is rupees 40 per kg. Y1 is our grape, so y we got 40. So grape price is our 40 per kg. Question number 26. It is the last mesh in this exercise. In the equation y, here it is equation already given. We need to no need to make equation, already given it is our y is equal to mx plus c. When x is equal to 1, the value of y is equal to our 5. This one is our first condition. So given it is our c, y is equal to our mx plus c. We will consider in this one equation number 1. Now we will put in this equation x value 1 and y value is equal to our 5. So putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 in equation number 1 we have. So y is equal to our mx. So instead of x we need to put 1. That is our given 1. And y is equal to our what? 5. So y value will be our 5. So this one will be our equation number 2. So this one will be our y value is equal to our 5. Y value is equal to our what? It is given our, putting y is equal to our 5 and x is equal to our 1. So y is equal to our 5. And this x value is equal to our 1. So m into our 1. So m into 1 means our m only. Plus our c. C value not given. So this one we got equation number 2. Now question what told c. So first we got this one, up from this we got. Now again given when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. Again this value we need to put in our equation number 1. When our x is equal to 3 and when y is equal to our 9. So putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 9 in equation number 1. In equation number 1 it is our what? Y is equal to our mx plus c. So y value it is our 9. So 9. And m into this m, our m into our x value here it is our 3. So 3 plus our c. So c. So this one if we multiply, so it will be our 3m plus our c. So this one is our equation number 2 and this one is equation number 3. So we'll see now equation number 2 and 3. This one and this one. Is anything equal or what? M it is our 3m. It is our c. So c is our common. So and both sign our equals, that means our subtraction. This c it is our plus c. This one also our plus c. And this coefficient is our 1 1. So our same it is, and sign also our same, plus plus. So we'll do minus. So 2 minus 3. So it will be our left hand side 5 minus will be our 9 is equal to m plus c minus 3m plus c. Now this one will taken from the bracket, so it will be our minus 3m and plus minus minus c. So plus c minus c will be cancelled, and plus 5 minus 9 is equal to our minus 4. So will be remain our minus 4 is equal to will be our c will be cancelled, and m minus 3m will be our minus 2m. So both sides minus minus will be cancelled. Now 4 will divide by our 2. So we will get the m value 2. Therefore m value will be our 2. So we got m value. So here it is told find m and c. So m value already we got. Now c value we need to find out. So this m value in any equation, maybe 2 or 3, we will put this one. In equation number 1 also we will put, that time so many values we need to put. So we will not get this one. So 2 it will be easy, or 3 it will be easy for us. So equation number 2 only we are putting this m value. So m, equation number 2 c. Equation number 2 it is given our 5 is equal to m plus c. So 5 is equal to m value is equal to 2 plus c. Now this 2 1 will shift to our left hand side. So it will be minus. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore c value we got our 3. So m value and c value we got. Hence the required value of m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. Now last part of this question it is given, and find y. Y value we need to find out when our x is equal to 2. When our x is equal to 2, that time we need to find out what value y value. So already it is given our equation, this one, y value need to find out. So y is equal to m value just now we got. M value will put whatever the value we got. C value also we got, and x value also it is given our 2 we need to put. So see, again y is equal to our mx plus c, and when our x is equal to 2, in our question it is given when our when x is equal to 2, this one. So this one will put x, it is our given when x is equal to our 2. Now m value we got, what we got, m value is equal to our 2. So this m will be our 2, this m will be our 2, x also our 2, and c we got 3, c is equal to our 3. So this m will be our 2, so 2, x value also our 2, so 2 into 2, plus our c value is equal to our 3, so plus our 3. So 2 into 2 our 4 plus 3, so 4 plus 3 is equal to our 7. That means that time our y value will be our 7. So this exercise our finished, along with our this chapter also our finished. Next day we will start our one new more chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.